Electrical codes, specifically the National Electrical Code, or NEC, have specific requirements for the installation of plug mold. Firstly, height above floor. Plug mold must be installed at least 50 inches from the floor, according to NEC section 406.8. C2. Secondly, circuit requirement. Every 12 feet a plug mold must be connected to a separate branch circuit per NEC section 406.8. A3. A request to install plug mold along the underside of the cabinets violates both of these code requirements. The underside of the cabinets is likely less than 50 inches from the floor. The length of plug mold required to cover the underside of the cabinets would likely exceed 12 feet, requiring multiple circuits. Installing plug mold in violation of the NEC can pose safety hazards. Electrical shock is a concern, as plug mold installed too close to the floor can increase the risk of electrical shock. Fire risk is another concern, as overloading plug mold by connecting it to multiple circuits can create a fire hazard. If additional outlets in the kitchen are desired, there are alternative options that meet code requirements. One option is under cabinet outlets. Install outlets in the underside of the cabinets above the 50-inch height requirement. Another option is wall outlets. Install outlets on the walls every 6 feet. A third option is pop-up outlets. Install pop-up outlets that are recessed into the countertop and only extend when needed. While it is understandable that someone may have seen plug mold installed in a magazine, it is important to adhere to the NEC for safety reasons. By providing alternative options that meet code requirements, electricians can ensure a safe and functional electrical system.